issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County in north central Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from east of Decatur to south of Weatherford, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Carmen Growl City around 9:30 p.m. Benbrook, White Settlement, Art Island Lakeside around 9:35 p.m. Corinth, River Oaks, Sansom Park, Lakewood, Westwood Village, Louisville, Highland Village, Lake Dallas, Hickory Creek, Frisco, The Colony, Richmond Hills, Kennedale, Rendon, Little Almond Hackberry around 9:55 p.m. Mansfield and Pantego around 10 p.m. Arlington and Grant Prairie around 10:05 p.m. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Frequent lightning is occurring with this line of storms. Seek shelter indoors. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for north central Texas.